Profit Mailer Review. Hi guys, what's up? This is Aravind from aravind-nair.com and a warm welcome to Profit Mailer Review and Demo. As you can see, I'm inside the members area, and in this video, I will give you a complete walkthrough of how this product works and what it does. So please stay tuned till end of this video. As usual, I have created some exclusive bonuses, so continue to watch till the end. So what's a Profit Mailer all about? So Profit Mailer is a cloud-based application which is a all-in-one AI driven autoresponder plus a list creator. So it's kind of a autoresponder plus it will help you to create and build your list, and as well as it will create website forms, it can create landing pages, it can create thank you pages, and at the same time it has no restriction in terms of how many emails you could send, how many subscribers you can keep, and also it has some interesting features like drag and drop functions. It can integrate with various other applications like webinars, etc., etc. So that's in a summary what Profit Mailer is all about. Right. So just to give you a bit more understanding of what Profit Mailer is all about, Profit Mailer is all in one, never seen before affiliate friendly autoresponder and a list building web based software with AI built in. Profit Mailer creates epic email campaigns so your customer can build massive list and get extreme amounts of sales in no time. So the advantage of this is it do not have any restrictions. So if you look at any other major autoresponders, let's say GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, etc., it has a fixed cap on certain subscribers, beyond which you are, of course, you will get more. You can actually opt in for more subscribers, but the prices are very very high as you go for more subscribers or having more list. So that's one thing which Profit Mailer has kept in mind. It is also promoting this incredible high quality product. You can give your customer something that you love and use for years to come, profiting while all this while. So you can actually send out email campaigns and also try to make money out of it. So it's basically a two in one situation. Yeah, so Profit Mailer has no monthly fees, just like any other autoresponder. Not just like any other autoresponder. Profit Mailer does not have a monthly fees like other autoresponder, and it can upload any list to make a profit with affiliate marketing as well. So if you have a list which you have, you can actually even in an Excel sheet or anything, any format, you can actually upload it to Profit Mailer. So that option is also there. As I told, ProfitMail is a cloud-based solution. This means you can access the software from anywhere in the world with just an internet connection. So I've given some of the overview in terms of a simple diagram or a figure. So you can upload the list. You have got unlimited landing pages you can create. You can send unlimited emails. You can automate everything using industry-leading scheduling features and functions. That means you can set autoresponders. You can actually send auto email generated. You can create forms. You can create surveys, etc. using this. Yeah, high delivery rate. So basically, one of the key aspects of any autoresponder is to make sure that you deliver those emails onto the customers you sent out. It should not be saying that it should send out or it delivers to spam folders, or there are cases in some of the autoresponder, I don't want to name in particular, which will not be delivering those emails, but it will bounce back, and potentially your email list which you have attached to your autoresponder get blocked or get blacklisted from the major email search engine email engines like Yahoo, Gmail, etc. That is something which the product owners claim that it is not going to happen. It will deliver at every time, and it has got a drag and drop editor, so you can actually create landing pages, you can create emails. Once I'm in the members area, I can show you. So they have got set of templates. You don't have to create from scratch. Of course, there is an option where you can actually create from scratch, but it's very simple. There are certain templates which you can actually select, and all the features would be listed. So it's basically just a tweaking of certain few things on that template, and it's ready to go. So that's about the overview and summary of what Profit Mailer is all about. Before going into any further details in terms of members area or sales page, let me show you my bonuses. So, the first bonus I'm going to give you is Continuum Pro. Continuum Pro is a webinar software which will help you to conduct webinars or even offline webinars. It will also have some high ticket offers which you can promote instantly, which has been included as part of Continuum. Continuum has released few months back from one of the top affiliate marketers or a product creator, and this has sold many copies. So I'm going to give you not the front end of Continuum, but I'm going to give you the professional version where you're going to get high tickets also included in it. It has got at least 3 high ticket products which you can actually sell immediately and start using the webinar. So if you have this webinar along with a profit mailer, that's kind of an autoresponder plus a list building product, you can actually connect Continuum with this and you can actually profit out of it. So that's the first bonus I'm going to give you. The second bonus I'm going to give you is the cost per action, profit method. So in this particular bonus, you will exactly understand how you can actually generate profit or make money using CPA method. So as you know, cost per action depends on a certain action you take and you're paid for it. For example, it might be just getting emails or either getting phone numbers or even getting the postcode, etc. It depends on what is the requirement. You can actually create an action for it, and once you have that action completed, you can send it to the intended audience or intended customer, and they will potentially pay for each of the leads or each of the actions or whatever the information they requested from you based on the list you have sent to them. So that exactly is an easy method to make money online, and CPA is used widely among most of the top affiliate marketers because it is something which is not dependent on a sale, to be honest. So for example, in many cases, once a sale happens, if you are doing affiliate marketing, you very well know that once a sale happens, you earn an affiliate commission, but at the same time, if that person refunds back, you will lose that commission as well. But CPA doesn't have that risk. So yeah, either you make a sale, not make a sale, it doesn't matter. You will be paid, or you can make commissions or money as long as you complete a certain action, like getting an email, or even you get phone number, postcode, etc. What is the intent? If you complete that intent and you give that to the potential customer or the person who wanted that information, you're paid for it. So that's the bonus number two. The bonus number three is I'm going to give you how to become an affiliate brainy. So this is one of the techniques you're going to learn, and it will exactly showcase how you can actually make sure what are the steps you need to become successful in affiliate business, and that's the bonus number three. The bonus number four is again, I'm going to tell you how you can actually boost your online sales. So if you're struggling in selling certain things, or if you want to make sure you have more sales coming through online marketing or any e-commerce business, this is a bonus you should get, and this will exactly help you to boost your online sales. So that's a bonus number four. And bonus number five is all the vendor bonuses. Now in this particular vendor bonus, if you go for any upgrade or upsells of this particular product, the vendor is going to give you more bonuses. But I think there are a lot of general bonuses which he's going to give away. Again, I think it's close to 10 bonuses if the vendor is going to give away, and all the bonuses eligible according to the different levels which you're going to buy this product, you will get the bonuses, and that's also included if you buy this product through the link down below in the YouTube. So if you're interested in this product and if you want to get through my link, then what you need to do is you need to click on the link down below in the YouTube description, which will take you through this particular bonus page. And once you click on any of these pink or purple, so-called purple buttons. It will take you through the sales page. Now the sales page, when I'm doing this, is at a preview stage. This will change, but it will take you to the sales page. This is the current look and feel I have for the sales page I have. And once you click on instant access now, it will take it will take you through the marketplace called Warrior Plus. And once inside the Warrior Plus, and once you purchase the product, under your purchase history, you will see a blue button which shows access your affiliate bonuses. And once you click on that particular link, you will be able to get all the bonuses for free, absolutely free, and you can access all the bonuses, including the vendor bonuses, which we have discussed. So that's about the bonus. So just a bit of caution. As you can see, the timer is keep running, and once the timer hits zero, my bonuses would disappear. And I really don't want you guys to lose on the bonuses, because these bonuses are exclusively created by me. Of course, you have all the right to shop around and see what other affiliates are offering, and you can come back to the page and get my bonuses, including this product, once you find that my bonuses are much better than the other affiliates who are offering. Right. So let me go back to the bonus page headlines. Okay. Let me take you to the sales page. As I told, this is under preview. This might change, but this is a typical sales page. It contains what are the challenges it's going to overcome and what are the challenges it has overcome as a product. So it will give you all the informations in terms of what are the advantages of using this particular product. It will also show you some revenue proof, and some testimonials. It is also show you it's very simple in operation. In three simple steps, you can actually start completing this product or start using this product. Yeah, so these are some of the income proofs which is generated. Of course, what I want to show you is a comparison of the leading industry leading autoresponders. So, for example, let's take Aweber. It is costing you in the range of $17, 16.15 to 297 per month. Active campaign is charging you from $9 to 497 per month. Get response 15 to 197 per month. Yeah. Then you have got MailerLite, which is costing you $10 to 297. You have got Mailchimp, which is costing you 9 to 297. Then you have got Profit Mailer, yeah, lifetime access at unbeatable one-time price. So I just wanted to show you this in comparison with other products which is currently available in the market. Yeah, of course, but you can have a quick look at the sales page at your time. I prefer you to have a look at it so you'll understand again what are the challenges it has overcome, what are the advantages you're going to get, some testimonials, some income proof, and comparison with other current products in the market. So that's about the sales page. Again, if you want to come to the sales page, click on any of my blue buttons, sorry, any of my purple buttons over here. It will take you through the sales page. Now let me go to the members area. So this is a members area. This is a dashboard. There's a landing page which you can see. You can log out. There are certain campaigns, basically whatever campaigns you have created. So it will contain, basically you have got and from the dashboard you can actually view the contacts. You can also view the campaigns you have created. Also you can view the modules and APIs. That's basically the website forms and website integrations you can do from here. Now, in the left side of the navigation plane, in navigation, you can see that there is a small toggle icon where I can actually have the view like this, or you can actually expand the view and understand what are the lists which has been given here. So dashboard is where you are. Contact list basically talks about what are the various contacts you have, how to create. If you want to create, not how to create. If you want to create a contact, you can use this. You can just click on it and you can create a contact manually. You can give the first name, etc., and also all the details. And then once you save, the contact would go and sit in your contact list. So that's about the contact list. You can view the custom fields if you want to give a, for example, if you want to add certain custom fields. For example, you feel that particular customer is coming from a different niche. Let's say he's from health and beauty niche. You can actually tag with a reference, or you can actually even give, let's say, he's coming from a previous list or a separate product you have launched in the market, you can actually categorize these are people from product A, these are people from product B, so on and so forth. So that's how you can actually segregate your list from this. That's about the contact list. Now, contacts are something where you can actually import the existing contact. For example, you have currently you are using any autoresponder which you are paying on a monthly basis, maybe say $50 per month, $100 per month, any amount. Let's assume that, or even there are certain autoresponders, for example, Aweber or GetResponse, where you can get 30-day trial period for free. You can actually go there and still try 30 days trial period. And once the trial period are over, and if you have got certain contacts and beyond which you can't actually keep those contacts in GetResponse Aweber, potentially what you can do is you can actually download that list and upload it over here. So that option is also available. You can export a contact from a file, you can import a contact from a file, you can add a contact manually, as I said earlier. You can suppress an email or a domain. Email suppression list are nothing but, if you don't want a particular email to be sent out to a particular person or a particular list, you can do via this particular tabs. Guys, I'm not going into detail because very simple. For example, if you want to contact a list from a file, then it's as simple. Select what are the files you have. These are some of the list I've already created. Yeah, so you can actually select it next, and then you can do it. Now that's about the contacts. Now, if you want to come to the email campaigns, is basically you can set out email campaigns. For example, you are using a product to promote, you are using an affiliate product to promote, you can actually send out a pre-launch email. You can actually send out an email during the launch period. You can actually send out a reminder email, or what you call an email which says that, call to action email, where you're saying this product launch period is going to end. And then of course, once somebody purchases it, you can actually set a thank you email as well, saying that thanks for purchasing this product. All those things could be set using your email campaigns. Yeah, so it's very simple. You can create an email campaign, click on it, you can enter the test, for example, let's say test, and you can create it. And then this is where, as I told, you have got inbuilt standard templates. You don't have to create from scratch. So you can see this, there are basic templates. Yeah, you can see the basic templates. At the same time, it's got tons of templates which you can actually use from different niches. Yeah, food is there, gaming is there, you can see all these things. So hobbies, let's say example history, yeah, it has got all those stuff in here. And you can art and framing or arts and crafts, all those kind of drag and drop templates are available. So you don't have to waste much of a time in creating your email campaigns. So again, I'm going back to this the email campaign. So you can see view split test. So view split test is nothing but, you can create different email campaigns and test and say that which campaign is doing best based on your response from the customers, etc. So that's what it happens here. So again, just to give a summary, email campaigns contain view email campaign, whatever email campaigns you have created so far, and whatever campaigns are running. This is where you can actually create an email campaign. This is sent an email campaign. Once you create an email campaign, you can send it through this link, image manager, where you can actually get all the images over here. You can upload all the images. Once all the images are uploaded, you will find it over image manager. Yeah, and you have view split test, which I've just told you, dynamic content tag. So that's where you can actually this is something which is kind of a upsell, or you will have access once you have requested for it, because I am actually having a generic JV access which I don't have. Yeah, so that's where you can actually get those, and then you can view the schedule and email queue. So once you set a campaign to run on a certain time, it will also come and sit in this particular email queue. So that's about the email campaigns. Now, with respect to autoresponder, you can create an autoresponder. You view autoresponders are so far whatever autoresponders you have created. So these are basically the list which have been already created. Let me show you the list which I have. View all contact list. View the contact list. So list name, I have actually created the list name. I don't know where it has gone. Anyway, so what I was basically trying to tell you is, if you come to autoresponder, if you view autoresponder, you will also see the list. So for that particular autoresponder, you can actually tag a list you want to create. For example, you want to only tag a particular list then you can actually do that. If you want to select everyone also, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that as well, very well. You can, if you want to add everyone as well, you can do that. So that's basically about the autoresponder and how to view that autoresponders. Create an autoresponder, again, you can actually create from the list. Once you create a list, then you can actually create an autoresponder, and once you've completed it, it's just like any other autoresponder you need to do. Now, coming back to autoresponder view triggers, so you can actually, create a trigger. So basically you can actually enable what triggers you need to do. Yeah, for example, what's a trigger name, and activate the trigger based on a specific date, based on a specific click link. All those activities could be done. It will also trigger based on when you need to do trigger action, send an email campaign. Yeah, so based on a specific date, you can actually trigger send an email campaign, or based on a specific link clicked. For example, if person have purchased a specific product, you can actually send an email campaign. So that's how this trigger would help. And this is somewhere that the vendor claims is artificial intelligence driven, AI driven technology for this particular product. So that's about the autoresponders. Quickly, let me go through my. Yeah, it's all working fine. The reason is sometimes my recording stops, my sound completely stops, the video goes on playing. I wanted to check, and I don't want to do this, editing or re-record the whole stuff. So that's the reason. Yeah, so that's about autoresponder. Statistics will tell you basically all those stuff like email campaign statistics, split test statistics. That's why you can create different email responders, or sorry, email campaigns, and understand which campaign did good. Autoresponder statistics, again, it will show you how many people have opened, how many people have clicked on that particular link, etc. Which will, again, you can see on the trigger status, how many trigger status you have created. Is this trigger status good enough? So all these things could be done in the statistics and settings, of course, where you can actually get your username, create a password. Also, you can edit your the footer. You can actually create a footer. You can put your events, etc., and all those stuff. Now, this is where you have got the standard templates, where you can actually get the templates, and these are the website forms where nothing but the API integrations, where you can actually connect to a certain website or a web page through using API keys. I am not going into it because the reason is it is straightforward, it is simple. It will also have some trainings available inside this, so I'm not going in detail. But if you are getting any challenges in terms of any of issues which happens internally, you can actually contact the support team and they will respond to you immediately. So that's about the members area. Also, what I've did is, there is a quick demo which is provided inside of my bonus page, so you can actually go and have a quick look on my demo. Yeah, so it will also show you each how to create a campaign, how to set up an autoresponder, etc., etc. So you can actually go and watch it once again. Now that's about the members area. Now coming back to my bonus page and the prices. So this is the prices and upsells, etc. So the whole front end of profit mailer is costing you $17. Now again, if you come to the sales page, I'm going to just refresh it. Potentially what will happen is it will give you another discount, if I'm not wrong. When you, yeah, see, so you can claim $4 discount. So if you want to just try and close this button, what will happen is it will take you through another $4, which is potentially you're going to just pay $13. Yeah, so it's actually a complete bargain compared to any other autoresponder currently, which is costing you close to 250, 300 on a monthly basis, depending on the number of subscribers. And also they do have some certain limitations on how many emails you can send, etc. So front end, which is shown, which all my bonuses included, with all your all the bonuses included, all the stuff which I've just shown is coming for you at $17. That's a front end price. The upsell number one is unlimited, where you can actually have unlimited accounts, forms, leads, email, autoresponders, and more. Upsell number two is automation, which is costing you 37, which is a downsell of 27. It allows the users to schedule their campaigns. I don't have much details on the upsells, but because the joint venture page didn't this only contained this much, but it's pretty much straightforward. And also, if you're interested in upsells, once you purchase the front end, you will have more further details on these upsells in a separate page where you can get those upsells as well. Upsell number 3 is done for you for 197 and downsell of 97. You have done for you personal setup by our team. Upsell number 4 is done for you campaigns for 47 and downsell of 27. All the top softwares are all are set for you to sell of your own. So this product vendor David and Kenny, they have launched previous products, so you can get all the products from them, and you can actually resell those products as you like and make profit, 100% profit for selling those. Upsell number 5 is reseller. I don't know to explain. It's a reseller rights. It's costing you 47 and a downsell of 27. Then you have got upsell number 6 is traffic. You get traffic from Google and Facebook pixels in our top selling pages. Traffic your Google and Facebook pixels on our top updating pages. So basically, you can actually give your pixels and Facebook pixels, Google pixels and Facebook pixels, and they will help you to stick on their selling pages. Upsell number 7 is traffic saver pack, which is costing you $27 and a downsell of 17. Saver membership, past products, plus product added throughout the month, available on a monthly membership. So that's I think there's a monthly membership. Upsell number 8 is ProfitMailrr Goldmine 1K Club, which is costing you $37 with a downsell of 17. So guys, the front end price, as I shown, 17. Again, you are going to take out $4, so it's 13. It's a worth a try. Again, you're going to get 30 days money back guarantee. So if it is not working, then you can of course get a refund for those as well. So that's about the pricing. Now, in every video, I show the pros and cons. Some of the pros are upload any email list and send any emails to them, add unlimited subscribers and hit the inboxes, include smart autoresponder, the AI function, as I've told, drag and drop, done for you opt-in pages. Now, what I've also done is I've tried to summarize some key benefits, in terms of various activities. You can send unlimited emails and ad managers, unlimited campaigns, store unlimited subscribers, create unlimited landing pages and sign up forms, drag and drop editing. you know uh, it has also got many features which I don't want to go in by detail, but of course have a look at this. These are some of the benefits. As in every video, I also suggest some of the cons. Some of the cons are not directly related to this product, but again, in terms of making money, how to use this particular product and make money, and that is where I exactly my bonuses come into picture. My first bonus itself is Continuum Pro, which has sold around close to $97 for that this particular piece of software. At the pro version, I'm going to give you free, but also it will help you to promote high ticket products instantly without any webinar charges. As you know, webinar charges, if you want to purchase a webinar software, for example, let's say Ever Webinar or any other things, it is going to cost you close to $500 for an year. This webinar software is completely free of charge. It's coming for free for you. It is coming also with high ticket products you can actually promote, and connecting with ProfitMailrr is going to tremendously boost your output. Yeah, and again, how to make profits from CPA techniques. So this is going to again get profits and make money. You can actually get an understanding how to become affiliate wise or affiliate brainy using this particular technology or this particular bonus. And finally, how to boost your online sales. So the money part, which is lacking in this particular product, has been covered with my bonuses. As you know, I try to put my bonuses in such a way that it benefits when you purchase along with this product. My bonuses are aligned to that particular product, and which will help you to cover any cons as well as multiplying your profits and making more revenue out of my bonuses. So right guys, that concludes my review. I hope you like my review. If you do like my review, please give a thumbs up to the YouTube channel and also subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another review. Till then, cheers.